Hi, my peeps. Well, today I'm gonna show you how to make Asian style chicken. This recipe is a delicious recipe, and I hope you guys do enjoy it. So, let's get started. Hi, guys, this is Jody Cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm gonna make you some Asian style chicken. So, here I have some leg and thigh. And as you can see, I removed the skin from it. It's already washed, it's clean. These are all my seasoning. You have all-purpose seasoning, 1 spoonful. You have garlic powder, 1 spoonful. You have chicken seasoning, 1 spoonful. You have Chinese seasoning, 1 spoonful. You have everyday seasoning, 1 spoonful. You have paprika, 1 spoonful, and you have black pepper, 1 teaspoonful. So I'm just gonna blend it all in because I'm gonna season my chicken now. And then just pour it all over. Just make sure all the seasoning is on the chicken. That's very important. That Chinese season, guys, smell amazing. So strong. So my chicken is all seasoning, and this is what it look like. I'm not gonna marinate it today, guys, but you can always marinate it if you want to. So here I have a pot on the stove, and my pot is hot, and I also add some vegetable oil to my pot because I'm gonna brown my chicken. Basically, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna add it. And I'm gonna allow it to fry for at least 3 minutes on each side. So now I'm gonna turn it now. So now I'm removing my chicken now. I'm gonna add these one that left. So So my chicken has finished fried, so now I'm gonna remove it now. So these are all my other ingredients for my Asian style chicken. So here I have some bell peppers, I've got garlic, I've got tomato, I've got spring onions, I've got ginger, and I have onions. And here I have a 1/4 cup of dark soya sauce. This is the main ingredients, guys. This is what's gonna make it have a nice dark colored. And I also have 1 spoonful of cornstarch. This is what's gonna thicken it up. And 2 spoonfuls of sugar. So here I have a pot on the stove, guys. And as you can see, I changed my oil and I add some new vegetable oil to my pot. Because the next one was a bit too oily, it was too much oil. So I have to change it. So here I have at least 3 spoonfuls of vegetable oil. So now I'm gonna add my onions and my ginger and my garlic. And my tomato also. Just allow it to saute for about a minute. And now I'm gonna add my dark soya sauce. And I'm gonna also add around a cup of water. Then my sugar. And I'm gonna also add my cornstarch. All I did, I just add some water to it. So this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna also add 1 teaspoonful of salt and 1 teaspoonful of all-purpose seasoning. And now I'm gonna add my chicken. Just take your time. So this is what it looks like after I add my chicken. So just take a spoon and just pour the gravy all over your chicken. Look at that color, guys. So delicious. I'm gonna taste it now. That tastes amazing, guys. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add just some sugar in it and then it should be perfect. But it actually tasted so yummy. So I add at least 1.5 spoonful of sugar to it. So now I'm gonna leave it on a medium heat for at least 20 minutes. So it's been 20 minutes, guys, and this is what it looks like. I also add some more Chinese seasoning to it. So now I'm gonna add all my bell peppers and my spring onions. And I'm gonna leave it for at least 5 minutes and it's ready. So it is finally finished now, guys, and this is what it looks like. Guys, it's looking so good. I cannot wait to eat it. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please like, share, subscribe for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye. So this is how my Asian style chicken looks like on the plate. I'm having it with rice and peas and with salad. You can have it with whatever you preferred. Until next time, stay blessed.